Mini split running but not cooling or heating? Your mini split AC is on. Fan is running. But the room temperature is not changing? Don't panic. Before calling a technician, let's check the 9 most common reasons behind this issue. Some are simple fixes. Others require professional attention. Let's diagnose it like a pro. 1. Keycap dirty air filters. What happens? When air filters are clogged with dust, airflow becomes restricted. The AC cannot circulate enough air across the indoor coil. What you notice? Weak airflow from indoor unit. Poor cooling or heating. AC runs longer than normal. Simple solution. Clean filters every 2 to 4 weeks. This small step can improve efficiency by up to 20-30%. 2. Keycap low refrigerant gas leakage. What happens? Refrigerant is the cooling substance inside your AC. If there is a gas leak, the system cannot absorb or release heat properly. What you notice? AC runs continuously. No proper cooling. Ice forming on indoor coil. Higher electricity bills. Professional fix. Leak detection, vacuuming, and proper gas charging. Never just top up without finding the leak. 3. Keycap incorrect mode or settings. What happens? Sometimes the system works perfectly but the settings are wrong. What you notice? System set to fan mode. Temperature set to high, cooling, or to low, heating. Timer function activated. Quick check. Always verify. Mode, cool or heat. Correct temperature. No time restrictions. This simple check solves many service calls. 4. Keycap dirty outdoor condenser unit. What happens? The outdoor unit releases heat from your room. If the condenser coil is covered in dust, heat cannot escape. What you notice? Weak cooling. Compressor overheating. System shutting down frequently. Solution. Wash the outdoor coil carefully with low-pressure water. Never use high pressure, it can damage fins. 5. Keycap faulty temperature sensor, thermistor. What happens? The thermistor reads room temperature and tells the system when to stop. If faulty, it sends incorrect signals. What you notice? AC turns off too early. Room not reaching set temperature. Uneven cooling. Professional fix. Sensor testing and replacement by a technician. 6. Keycap compressor malfunction. What happens? The compressor is the heart of your AC. If it fails, cooling and heating stop completely. What you notice? Outdoor unit running. No temperature change. Clicking or humming sounds. High current draw. Important. Compressor issues require professional diagnosis. Do not attempt DIY repairs. 7. Keycap PCB control board failure. What happens? The PCB controls all AC operations, fan, compressors, sensors. If it fails, the system behaves unpredictably. What you notice? Random shutdowns. Error codes on display. Indoor or outdoor unit not responding. Solution. Electronic inspection and PCB repair or replacement. 8. Keycap blocked drain line. What happens? When the drain pipe is clogged, water backs up inside the indoor unit. What you notice? Water leaking inside room. AC shutting down automatically. Bad smell from unit. Prevention. Regular drain cleaning prevents water damage and shutdown issues. 9. Keycap electrical or voltage issues. What happens? Many splits require stable voltage. Low or fluctuating voltage affects compressor performance. What you notice? Breaker trips frequently. AC struggling to start. Compressor not running properly. Solution: check power supply. Install a stabilizer if voltage fluctuates frequently. Still not working? If you have checked all 9 issues and the problem continues, it's time to call a certified HVAC technician. Regular maintenance prevents 80% of these problems. Share this information to help others avoid costly repairs. Follow for more professional HVAC insights.